day, everyone. Welcome back to English Hero. We are going to have another pronunciation drill or exercise for list number 10, 11, and 12. Now, as you notice, as we leveled up, the words have evolved also. So we need to pronounce some words that have 3 to 4 syllables. So as you notice, most of the words here for level 4, most of them are 3 syllables, 3 to 4 syllables. So that's why we have to take note, or we have to remember, or be mindful rather, of the stressing of each syllable. Okay? So let's start with list number 10. Please listen as I read the words twice. We have impersonal. Impersonal. So the stress is in the second syllable. Impersonal. Impersonal. Next, immortal. Immortal. Advertise. Advertise. So for this word, the stress is in the first syllable, which is advertise. Advertise. Next, address. I'm sorry. Since this is pertaining to a verb, so we have to pronounce it as addressed. Addressed. Okay? But if you're referring to a place or your address, so it should be pronounced as address, not address. Okay? But if you're addressing to someone, it should be addressed. Okay? Addressed. Take note of that. Again, advertise, addressed. Adapt. Adapt. Admire. Admire. Adjust. Adjust. Advance. Advance. So it's not advance, it should be advance. Right? Admit. Admit. So as you notice, for the 2-syllable word, the stress usually is in the second syllable. Like this. Adapt. Admire. Adjust. Advance. Admit. Okay? Take note of that. Of these words rather. Next, irregular. Irregular. The stress is in the re. Irregular. Second syllable. Okay? Let's practice. Please repeat after me. Let's do it twice, okay? Everyone say impersonal. Impersonal. Immortal. Immortal. Advertise. Advertise. Addressed. Addressed. But if you're referring to a place or location or an address, it should be address. So if you're going to ask the address, you would say, what's your address? You don't say, what's your address? Alright? Because address is a verb. Address is a noun. Alright? So again, this one is a verb because it has an ed. So addressed. Next, adapt. Adapt. Again, adapt. Admire. Admire. Adjust. Adjust. Advance. Advance. Admit. Admit. Irregular. Irregular. Alright, very good. Let's have list number 11. Please listen. Irresponsible. Irresponsible. So the stress is in the third syllable, which is pun. Irresponsible. Alright? Take note of that, this word, irresponsible. Next. Irrational. Second syllable is the stress. Irrational. Again, irrational. Irreversible. Irreversible. Now, just a tip. Notice that if the word is composed with 4 syllables, the stress normally falls on in the third syllable, like this. Irresponsible. I'm sorry, 4 to 5 syllables. Irresponsible. Third is the stress, the third syllable, okay? Irresponsible. Next, irreversible. Irreversible. Next, irresistible. Irresistible. Illogical. Illogical. Illegible. Illegible. Illiterate. Illiterate. Century. Century. Centigrade. Centigrade. Centimeter. Centimeter. It's not centimeter, it should be centimeter. Centimeter. Just like kilometer, this one is centimeter. Okay? It's not centimeter, centimeter. Centimeter. Okay? So let's practice. Are you ready? Let's start. Please repeat after me. Say irresponsible. Irresponsible. Irrational. Irrational. Irreversible. Irreversible. Irresistible. Irresistible. Okay, this is not ear, okay? This is not it should be Irresponsible, irrational, irreversible, irresistible. Okay, Again, irresistible, irresistible, illogical, illogical, illegible, illegible, illiterate, illiterate, century, century, centigrade, centigrade, centimeter, 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 centimeter. Again, centimeter, centimeter. Next, list number 12. I'm sorry, let's go back for the centimeter. Centimeter. Centimeter, centimeter. I'm not sure though, but other Americans would pronounce it centimeter, but the correct way it's really centimeter. Centimeter. The stress then falls on the first syllable. Okay, centimeter. Centimeter. Again, centimeter. Centimeter. Okay. Next, we have list number 12. Please listen. Ascend. It's not ascend, okay? Ascend. It's like silent C. Ascend. Accept. Accept. Accent. Accent. So it's not accent. Alright? Remember the pronunciation or where the stress falls. It's in the first syllable. Accent. This one is accept. This one is ascend. Alright? Again, ascend, accept, accent. Next, access. So the stress, the stress for accent and access, it falls on the first syllable. Accent, access. Next, accident. Accident. Enclose. Enclose. Encounter. Encounter. Encourage. Encourage. Envelope. Envelope. Proceed. Proceed. Alright, so let's practice, kids. Shall we? Alright, so let's please do repeat after me. Let's do it twice. Everyone say ascend. Ascend. Accept. Accept. Accent. Accent. Access. access, accident, accident, enclose, enclose, encounter, encounter, encourage, encourage, envelope, envelope, proceed, proceed. Alright, good job kids. Please do not forget the spelling, the correct spelling of these words, okay? So, as you read, as you practice pronouncing the words, please do observe the spelling as well. And don't forget also to search the meaning of the words in the dictionary. That's all for today in this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. We're going to have list number 13, 14, and 15. Goodbye kids. Have a nice day.